this is Richa here. Good morning to all of you. You're the most welcome this platform, Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, I just come back again with new personality, with iconic personality, and that is not too much elder. That is really mini pack. She has having only and only 8 years old. Her age is only 8 years old. She is really genius. I saw a lot of students that they are really genius in only and only in one subject. But how should I elaborate about her? She is genius in every field. In every field. Just see, I have to write down about her, about their talent because I cannot count on the tips because she has having a lot of talent. So I just tell you, she is really very passionate to read, tongue twister, reading, writing, singing, dancing. Oh my gosh, dancing, drawing, painting. She know very well about rangoli, collection of the pen, collection of the razor, collection of the teddy bear, and her heart so pure. She always ready to help to everyone. This is actually biggest quality she has. She has really great talent, but she has not. She doesn't. She doesn't has any kind of proud, and I didn't see after meet her that she has any kind of attitude. She always ready to help to everyone. She always loves to needies. She always loves to poor as well. She always ready to teach to every children. According to you, she is only and only 8 years old. But you cannot imaginations her English, her accent, her American accent. I am I am sure that when you will meet, I cannot say that you will believe on me, you will believe on me or not. I don't know. But for that things, if you will have to show that actually I'm saying truth or lying, it's up to you. So for that things, let's get started with her a really very good introductions with Anna. Her name is Anna. She is so much gorgeous by looking, but I never consider to anyone by looking she or he is so much dashing by looking. I am always considered to that person by the heart. So actually she is so much gorgeous as a heaven by her heart, by her looking, by her nature, by her voice, by her action, by her, oh my god, like really gratitude. I really biggest fan of her. I didn't meet in my whole life like this personality. This is actually deserve that all words. When you will meet, definitely you also will love to that girl. Definitely. I must say surely you will also love to that girl. Why I'm sharing all things about her? Because of actually I want to tell to every child, every parents, if Anna can do everything, you also can do everything because she has actually everyone has mind, everyone has according to their sense. So just try to create passions to learn, and definitely you also can be a superstar in the champ field. So let's get started. Thank you so much, and please don't go till end because I just elaborate her talent one by one. There is no any fake. Just try to see real fact when she will write at the time. I will share with I will share all things with you all. How are you?
I'm doing really well. What about you?
I'm also doing great. I'm flinching. I'm feeling over the moon. I cannot tell to you how much I am happy to see you here.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Yeah. So actually, I'm really so much exciting to meet you. Seriously, after a long time, we are meeting to each other, and I was really happy when I just got to know that you now in pandemic you learned many things, not only once, twice, four and five. No, you just learned many things. So, and I know that you're really very iconic personality in the champs field. So first of all, I want to I want to ask you that how's your family?
Oh, my family is doing really well.
Oh, that's really great. And how's your father,
Of
mother?
course. Yeah, my parents are doing well. Yeah, and everyone is cool in my family.
Oh, that's really great, really great. So, Anna, first of all, I would like to greet you. You're the most welcome this session. Awesome, awesome English learner. And actually my audience and me means my audience and I both are really so much exciting to see here. And why we are exciting to see here, because I want to show your talent, that what kind of talent do you have. So guys, I want to tell you one thing. First of all, I want to greet to you my audience, my gorgeous audience. Good evening to all of you. Good evening to everyone. And this evening is only and only for Anna. So, first of all, I would like to request to you all, please just see this video till end, because by this video you can not change your thinking, you can change your mentality, you can change your lifestyle, you can change your everything after this video. Now you're thinking, oh my gosh, Richa, what are you saying, that we change our life, we change our mentality process? Yeah, definitely you listened right, because just see, there is a really good angel, and really very gorgeous angel, I can say. And she is a really very little angel. She's only and only, I think, 8 or 9 years old, but you cannot imaginations how much she has having a talent. Someone has talent writing, someone has talent dancing, someone has talent singing, writing, reading, videos. Oh my gosh, only this. But she has, I cannot count. I cannot count. But definitely, I would like to disclose one by one, and definitely we will elaborate in front of you all. So for that thing, you have to wait and you have to see what kind of talent she is having in the pandemic. She actually, her mother so innocent, so simple, and her father is also so much simple, and he has nature really innocent. He is not too much smarter, not too much clever. He has only and only one thing to teach to the children. He has only one feeling, that how my angels like just continue the educations. And she is also not taking any kind of classes by the academies, and she is also taking classes only and only schools. And she is also not too much high expensive country. She is also really very beautiful, kind, sweet India. So she is from India. I'm really so much glad that this type of children living in India. This is the actually golden sparrow. If I just tell you some words about her, so of course you also saying, Richa, why are you so much doing like this? But to be honest, when did you get about her? At that time, you will proud on her, and after that, definitely your children, you, your siblings, everyone can think, if Anna also can do, why we also cannot do? Because of actually she is always ready to help to everyone. This is actually quality in her, that's why I really love you, Anna. I really love you, just because of he, this is the actually biggest quality do you have, Whenever I just notice to her, and she always ready. She's always ready to help. No matter she hasn't time. No matter she has fever, she has mental stress, she has so much tired. One day I noticed she has headache, and I just noticed to her that she's in the school, and but she was ready to help a children, and that is also in fifth standard, and her name is Harshit. Sorry, his name is Harshit, and actually he was asking Anna di, please just try to help me in the writing sections, and she say, of course, I'm ready to help you. Definitely, I will do it. So that thing is when I just notice her quality, she was still like feeling headache, but she's oh say yes, I'm ready. So that's why I'm saying she is really helpful, helpful for everyone, no matter that person is a children, that person is younger or elder. If she is also noticing that someone is cross the road, so she definitely cross the road to that person if that person is need to help to cross the road. So that's why I love her. Now you can imagination how much she is good. So once again, you're the most welcome at this platform, Awesome Blossom English Learner. We are really very glad that you are here.
Oh, thank you very much. And do you know, like, I was really shocked when I saw Aishi and Rihan's video. That's why I'm so happy for this podcast with you.
Oh my gosh, oh my god. Thank you so much. So do you actually did you like Rihan's video?
Yes, of course. He has general knowledge very cool, and I was shocked that he can answer everything in that question. I saw that video. That was really cool.
So if I just say to you that okay, of course I would give you chance to meet him, what will you do? You are
Of course.
exciting to meet him?
Yeah, of course, I will. Like from the tongue twister, we can like get the fluency in English, and also the tongue twister, we can get the pronunciation very well if we will like practice it daily. So you can get the pronunciation very easily, and you can get a beautiful accent by your natural accent, or you can also get the Indian, or like if you want to be British or American accent, you can try for that too. It can be very cool for it. So you just want to do and you can get very greatly the fluency if you will do it. So of course you can get lots of things by the tongue twister. So you just want to twist the tongue. That is the thing. Like a tongue twister, just the perfect meaning of tongue twister is you just want to twist your tongue by the pronunciation and the fluency. That there's just two things for the pronunciation and the fluency for that. Yeah, of course.
Wow, that's really great. So actually, I want to listen by you a tongue twister.
Oh, okay. So I have one of the beautiful tongue twister that I practice lots of time. That is fuzzy had no fuzzy.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Please.
Oh, okay. Fuzzy was a beer. Fuzzy was had no hair. Fuzzy was wasn't very fuzzy. I practiced this lots of time for improving it. Of course.
Could you speak slowly?
Okay, I will try for that. Fuzzy was a beer. Fuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy wasn't very fuzzy was he?
Wow, that's really great. Hey, please just tell me, like seriously, just tell me that are you Angel or alien?
I am not any angel and alien. I'm just a small human being, you can say, or a small girl.
No, I cannot say that you are human being. Okay, so next question is about the writing sections. What do you think about the writing section? Writing section actually is it really very important?
Yeah, in my opinion, it's very important because like lots of times we are facing the exam, but we know every answer of the question, but we don't know how to write properly. We can't get the marks very early if you will practice writing very more because like they didn't read the whole of the answer. They just see how is the handwriting. If you will improve your handwriting, so it will be help you very much for that for exam because the handwriting is meant for exam for any job because they doesn't see how knowledge you have. They see how handwriting you have because the handwriting is very main. So in my opinion, that's really meant for everything.
So, do you think that handwriting is also reflect on the personality?
Yes, of course, that reflects to our personality.
So I am sure that you have really very good handwriting, but still I would like to ask you that how's your handwriting? You have
Yeah.
or
And
bad
nowadays I'm learning cursive handwriting. It means calligraphy. So yeah, you can say my parents usually say me to your handwriting is.
Anna. Now I can say that you are really very good in writing sections, in reading sections, in tongue twister. Now I would like to ask you about your hobby. Do you like singing?
Of course, that is my origin of the hobby, and I love to sing the English songs.
English songs. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Now, guys, to be honest, now still she's saying lie. Okay, check it. I will check it. So Hannah, okay. Do you like song like you already considered that you liked English songs? So, Miss, you like to only and only listen the songs or about the singing? What do you think about the singing? Can you sing for us?
Of course, I will definitely sing, but you have to choose one of the songs because I know lots of songs. I will give you four options, and you just want to choose one of them. Next, I will sing.
Okay, okay. Now, guys, listen. It's absolutely right. Okay, so okay, just give the options to us.
Okay. Waka Waka, Lomu Senorita, and Love Me Love You.
Wow, it's really favorite song of mine. Love me like you do. Actually, one
Okay.
second, I just firstly I will ask to my audience. So, what kind of songs do you like to listen by her? Please don't miss the chance. Actually, she has really sweet voice, and now I can say now she is really good in singing. Okay, so are you ready to listen? Love me like you do. Okay. So audience also saying, audience also demanding to you, and now we want to listen. Love me like you do.
Okay, so I will start the Lomu Okay. One, two, three, and go. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood, you're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Only you can set my heart on fire. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I got to find. Only you can set my heart on fire. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Yay, that's it.
Oh, super. Most in English.
Hello, Senorita. Yeah, Senorita is my
Oh,
favorite one.
that's really great. So please, ma'am, proceed your singing, Sonorita.
Okay, so I will start. One, two, three, and go. I love it when you call me Senorita. I wish I could pretend I did in media, but every touch is irrelevant. It's true irrelevant. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for your line in Miami. The air was hot from the summer rain, sweat dripping off me. Before I even knew her name, la la la. It felt like a rain, yay, no. Sophia moonlight, beat on eyes, in the sun, taking sunrise. Her body fit right in my hand, la la la. It felt like oh la la la, yay! I love it when you call me senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is a la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when you call me senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is a la la la. It's true. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. Yay, that's it.
Oh, what can I say? Your like style while the singing, your eyes, your face, your voice. Oh my God.
You're
Everything
right.
is everything is fine. I am biggest fan of now. This is real, not an Anna for us. This is real, actually, Senorita for us. My audience also saying to me, Richa, don't call to her as a Anna. Just call to her as Senorita.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Okay, so now uh, your second quality is that is also hobby in you about the painting.
Yeah.
Guys, we already discussed about the tongue twister, about writing sections, about reading sections, about singing. Love me like you do. I'm Senorita, and she also know about two songs. Now she's also ready to sing for you. But no, I will not give you chance again. Now I otherwise you will say to me that Richa ma'am, it is actually English channel. It is actually singing channel. So you will blame to me. But please, yeah, don't blame me because actually she's really, really good singer as well. So about the painting, do you like painting?
Yeah, of course. I love painting and also
Do
drawing.
you like painting?
Yeah, I love to
Oh
draw
my
and
God.
also to
Okay,
paint.
so oh that's really great. So why do you like painting? Why?
There's no specific reason, but you can say that if I'm getting bored, so I usually draw and also paint.
You also know how to draw the painting.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my, oh my God. Seriously, do you know about how to painting?
Yeah, of course. I told you.
Okay. So tell me, like, did you make any kind of painting at your home right now? Do you have any painting which you
Yeah,
made,
I have
which you made by you?
drawn. Yeah, of course, I have. Okay, yeah, this you can see this is a parrot, and yeah, and that's seated in one of the branch, a long branch,
Oh,
and that design in it. Yeah, that's it here.
that's really great. And that's really great.
And yeah, this is not any painting, but this is I usually draw the rangoli, so the designs of the rangoli is this one.
Okay. Do you know about the Rangoli as well?
Yeah, of course, I know a rangoli too.
Passionate to talk to stranger. So, what kind of hobby do you have?
Oh, like I have the hobbies, like you can say I have lots of hobbies, more and more you can say, like listening, speaking, reading, writing, singing, song, singing, move, playing badminton, dancing, and so on. I have lots of hobbies to do.
Oh my gosh. And do you also like to collections anything? Sometimes some so much liking to collect anything. Anyone has really anyone has collection of the teddy bear, about the books, about the notepad, about the anything. So I do you also like it?
Yeah, I had a collection of eraser. I had a collection of pens, like the finished and completed pens. Another thing is, yeah, and I have the collection of teddy bears too.
Oh my gosh. Can I
Yeah.
see your collection of pen?
Okay, pen. Okay, I will show you that. What the pens I have. Eh? Let me show you. Yeah. These are the pens of the collection,
Wow.
the finished pen. This is another bundle of pen. This is the colorful pen. This is also the other types of pen, and this one are the refills. And I have also the collection of the refill wrappers, the packets of the refills. Yeah, these are the collection of that. There are lots of collecting inside this one,
Oh my-
this one, this one,
What about
and
razor? What about razor?
yeah, I have erasers collection too.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think? Just tell me firstly that what do you think? What is this?
This is actually lip balm, or we can say lipstick.
No, this is an eraser. The lipstick
Oh my
eraser.
gosh.
Yes,
Oh
easier.
my gosh.
Yeah, this type of eraser I usually collect. This type of. This is like
Wow.
is there is a lipstick with things, but that is an eraser. You can also erase with this one. I love this one very much.
Razor? Razor?
Yeah, that's actually
All
a eraser.
right. So I now I would like to see your collection of eraser.
Okay, of course, I will show you. Wait a minute, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I can wait for your last week.
Okay, so first one is this one. Second one is this, and yeah, I have lots of like pebbles. I have lots of pebbles, small erasers. You can see here, in my opinion. And next one is this is like a face powder. You're giving sometimes face powder. This is also an eraser of domes. I love it
Oh
very much.
my gosh. My gosh.
Yeah, and my last one and my favorite one is this one. This is also of domes, but that is really cool, and that is in triangle shape. I like found first time, and because I see it first time, so I just buy it because I love to collect the erasers lots of times. I have lots of erasers, and it also has a
Wow.
scent. It is scented eraser.
Oh, that's really great. That's really great. Okay. So, and what about teddy bear?
Oh, of course. Let me show you. First one teddy bear is this one. This is small one, and I named it. Second one teddy bear is this one. This is also same to same. These are the both like brother and sister, you can say, and twins. That is twins. I guess that is twins. Last one
Okay.
is small one, and I love it very much.
That, oh my gosh.
Yes. And the
Oh,
biggest one, and the biggest one is this one. I love it very much. You
it's
can
so
see
so.
here. Yeah, that is too
Oh my
big, and
God.
I just named it Kitty. I love that. That's why.
My gosh. So, Anna, actually, I'm coming at your home tomorrow. Can you share with me your this teddy bear?
Okay, of course. In my ears, there's lots of topic and boy like this teddy bears, and I love it. I just see this one, so I was saying that I just want to like buy a teddy bear. So next I get an idea to buy a big one because I just have small. I was getting bored for playing with the small one, so I just buy this one, biggest one, and I love it very much.
Wow.
I like cardboard mobile, and I would just like to share with you guys this types of yeah. This is small one that like I made, and my brother too. He also helped me in this work. This one you can see here, and the
Oh my
biggest
God.
one, yeah, the big one is this here, and yeah, that
Oh,
is
this actually is it cardboard mobile?
yeah, that is of cardboard. We just made by cardboard.
Oh, that's really amazing. All icons also are there.
Oh yeah, of course.
All icons also
Like
there.
seems
That's really
like real. That seems like real.
yeah, exactly. And there's a center icon as well also here, and you just see left and right also icon also here, and a lot of icons also here. I'm just seeing. Yeah, that's really great. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So this is the actually a hypothetical questions for you, Anna. Question is
Yes.
that suppose there is a four childrens. There's a four childrens, and someone can be elder than you, someone can be younger than you. Okay, so no matter about the age, but it's really very important. They need pen, they need eraser, they need for playing a teddy bear. So, and you have all things because you have a biggest collections of the pen, eraser, and teddy bear. So, and they are really very neat to write something on the notepad, and you are in the class. So, do you like to share with them?
Yeah, of course. Like I love to help the peoples they need my help. So yeah, you can say that I will definitely share with them all of the things that I have. Lots of things I have, so I usually share with them. If anyone don't get that thing, so yeah, of course, I share with them.
Wow, that's really great. For that thing, I again clap for you
Thank you
because
very much.
actually, you know what happened? Someone has really only and only liking to only store like collection. Okay, but you also have intentions to help to the people. This is really amazing quality. Do you have? You have. Any kind. Could you please elaborate one movie on the English?
Okay, I can tell you lots of movies because I can remember lots of movies. Okay, so I will tell you. I love the two favorite that is Alvin and Chipmunks. All parts of Alvin and Chipmunks I love it very much. And second is Harry Potter. I love the every part of Harry Potter.
Kind of writing do you have? Good and bad.
Like I can describe it, but you can say, yeah, my parents usually say to me that my handwriting is a little bit pale.
Oh, are you sure about that?
My calligraphy is here. You can see in my opinion. It's visible in the screen. Showing, yeah. So
Oh,
yeah, of
God.
course, I can show you to be writing
But
right.
I think its copy also can be your siblings. Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have one elder brother.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, so I damn sure that's not bad, not yours. That's not bad, your brother.
Oh, really? Okay.
Uh,
So I will
okay, so
definitely write it down.
actually, my audience so much smarter, so they also cannot believe on you. So you have to write down for us some lines.
Okay, I will write it down for
Okay.
some time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me write it down.
Yeah, sure. Take a time. Now, guys, just see. Let's see. She's actually saying right or wrong. Now, we also can realize that she is actually giving me the oh, actually she's also really very good. She has really very good handwriting. And definitely I can see no, actually she has not good handwriting. Definitely, I'm damn sure about that. Her notepad is not bad actually. That's notebook. That's his elder brother. So now she's writing. Show me your copy and pen. Actually, I'm not able to see your. Oh,
And
okay.
copy. Yeah, of course. This is my
Oh,
copy and pen. I'm writing right now in front of you guys.
okay. So I will also send you screenshot if she is also writing a really very good handwriting. And after that, we also can believe on her that she has actually good handwriting or not. Actually, I cannot say good handwriting. No, actually, she should be write a very very beautiful writing and not punch on the words. What kind of words she will write for us?
I've been writing right now.
Anna,
Yeah, that's a word. I have been
it's
writing
okay.
quickly, guys. Let me turn. Yeah, can you see it out? I've been writing.
Show me your note.
I just writing some of the lines right now.
Uh, wow. And yeah, just tell me.
Oh, do you know, like, in my opinion, reading is very main because, like, why it's me? We just want to gain the knowledge by it, and our reading skill is very proper. So anything will be, everything will be so cool. Yeah, so yeah, you can say about that. So reading is very main for that. And the other thing is about reading. So if you want to like gain knowledge very much, so in a book, in only a one book, you can gain a lots of knowledge like biographies, autobiographies, novels, and also goosebumps. There's a lot of types of books that you can read in one of the day. So in my opinion, the reading skill, like reading, is very main for everyone for gaining the knowledge. In reading, I'm very happy to be here in this platform, Awesome Blossom Learning English. Yeah, and yeah, I'm very happy. I read a lot of things here. Yeah, for it. I will send you like next a pic of that everything that I had been writing.